To grow bell peppers, you can either purchase seedlings that are ready to transplant or purchase seeds and sow them. If sowing from seeds, first sow them indoors. Cover with soil mix and water. Place your seedlings in front of a window or in a warm greenhouse from January to March. Towards mid-May, after the last frost spells, transplant under a cold frame. For that, fill the nursery pot with soil mix, make a hole in it, and slide your seedling in. Plant the nursery pot in the soil under your frame and water. For the final transplanting, dig a nice hole and add a blend of soil mix, organic soil conditioner or compost and garden soil. Bell pepper is demanding in terms of nutrients. Bell pepper plants must be set at 24-inch intervals on all sides. Use a diamond pattern. Remove your seedling from the nursery pot and run the cultivator along the clump to disentangle roots. Place the moist clump in the center and cover with soil. Stake if needed. Press down and shape the soil into a bowl to make watering easier, then water. Provide for regular watering. Lay a mulch around the base of the plants to protect them. You may harvest bell peppers when green, but you can also wait until they've changed colors, which will make them sweeter. Add them raw to your mixed salads.